You can ignore my red parts.
The breaker is to break the food. The bringer is to bring the bin.
Okay.
The digger is when you dig a hole for the food. The filler is when you fill the hole.
Okay.
The dumper is to dump the food. The mixer is when you mix the food.
Okay. The last one.
The collector is when you collect food. The leader is when you be in